That is a myth. So the 10 years comes from the fact that the bankruptcy will remain on your credit reports for 10 years if you did a Chapter 7. But there's a lot less there than meets the eye. Now, in the answer to the previous question, I said that you'll be able to get credit, you'll be able to get loans for the two reasons mentioned. You can't do another Chapter 7 for 8 years and a day, and it frees up future income to pay on future debts. Initially, as I said in the answer to that question, the terms will be not exactly the most favorable. You won't have Bill Gates's credit, although I don't know how much he needs to have credit, but in any event, it'll take a little time to build up. So typically, I encourage people to get a couple of credit cards. Don't start stacking up on them. Just get a couple of credit cards and use them sparingly as a way to develop a new credit history. And maybe get a car, because you'll get offers for car loans. Though unless you need a car right away, I generally discourage people from getting a car until at least a year has passed where they've been working the new credit cards. And then each month, sock away some money. In that first year, you're socking away money to get a down payment on the car. After that, start socking away money to get a down payment on maybe a condo. And usually creditors, after about 4 years, they're going to be willing to make a home loan to you. Now, the key thing here is getting a down payment. The larger the down payment, the more willing the creditor will be to lend you money because you've got some skin in the game. So if you come and say, yeah, I have no down payment, I'd like to get a home loan, I did a bankruptcy a couple of years ago, they might urge you not to let the door slam as you leave the place. But if you've got a down payment, a large down payment will cover a multitude of financial sins. So that's where you want to be focusing your attention, saving up that down payment.